when you get a piece of furniture and it feels like your space is finally complete? Yeah, that piece would be this entertainment center for me. I absolutely could not love this any more than I already do. I obviously have this wider cutout in our wall here, as well as a very large TV. So I was looking for an entertainment center that was shorter because our TV is mounted at a shorter length, but also something that would stretch the nice large span that I have here and not look too small or out of place. This one is absolutely perfect for just that, as well as it just being so beautiful otherwise. As far as assembly goes, this took my husband maybe about 30 minutes or so with the right tools. So definitely not too difficult, not too time consuming, and totally worth it when you see the ending product. The main features that it has, of course, are these little doors on the sides here, easily accessible with these cutouts, and they have that magnetic piece to keep them closed and solid there on both sides. And then the shelf here with the cutout for cords and things. So you have the ability to actually be able to put the cords there and hide them. So nothing's super cluttered on this. I love the size of these cabinets here. So you can see I have a typical storage basket for my kiddos' toys here and still plenty of space to add. It does also have that cutout there for the cords. So again, there's no clutter of cords. I can keep them all tucked away and clear on their path to the plug behind the entertainment center itself. Additionally to that, since it is so long, I love that it has these extra support legs underneath that help to keep it from bowing in the middle there, so you can have tons of weight on here and not worry about any part of it lacking integrity. And then of course there's the obvious fact of it being so beautiful with this light wood look and stain, as well as it has like that thin protective coating on it, so I don't have to worry too much if my kiddos bring water over here. I should be able to just wipe it up nice and easy. And then these beautiful cutouts on the doors to add that little bit of extra character and beauty to it. I just don't think I could imagine a piece that pulls my space together any better than this entertainment center. It's so beautiful, and I definitely recommend if you're looking for something similar that can be styled so beautifully with those shorter but wider measurements as well.